Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got an Amazon unboxing. Now, I purchased this about a week ago, so I'm not sure if the price is still what I gave for it or if the price has changed. I probably should have looked before I started taping. But anyway, I got this off of Amazon. It is a poured glue round full drill. It comes with a step above a standard toolkit, but it's still just a regular toolkit. But it has a pink single placer pen. It does have a two placer, if you can see it in there. It has your little green boat. It has a bigger piece of wax. It has a pin squishy and a few baggies. So a little better than a regular toolkit, but still it's kind of an ink toolkit. Alright, so these come just like you see them. There's two things of drills. I'm not real sure why they're doing that like that, but whatever. But it does have oh, y'all, I'm distracted by Buster under my desk snoring. And I don't know if y'all can hear him or not. But anyway, it has the canvas number on the bags of drills. And this comes in a train, and I don't have any issues with these drills that come like this. I don't have a whole lot of static in any of them, but we've got blues and pinks and reds and some orange and green, different blues, a lot of different shades of blue. If y'all can see this, a lot of different shades of orange. So, what did I get, y'all? Of course, I got the gnomes. But I have seen this on there on Amazon for I don't know how long. And I keep passing it up. But I couldn't pass it up this time because I only gave $3.99 for this. And it is a 35 by 45 canvas. And if you can see, there's the thumbnail. Now, it does have 30 colors in it. And we have got numbers and letters. And it also has the DMC numbers charted on here. And we've got a schematic on the top left, bottom right. And so we have got I'm going to say, I don't know if this is supposed to be Halloween or what. But, I mean, we've got one that is a Halloween. And then this one has a bucket. But this one's the one that's throwing me off. Because he doesn't look like he's dressed up for Halloween. So, and this one is a bumblebee. I don't know. Maybe it is. Maybe they are dressed up for Halloween. Because we got a bumblebee. And then we've got this one who's got ghosts. And I don't know. Well, there's one ghost. There's a ghost. There's a ghost peeping around his hat. And then this one has got a pumpkin. It looks like maybe a witch's hat. I don't know if this is supposed to be a spider and spider web. But this is the one that just throws me completely off because it's ladybugs and daisies. So I don't know. But I thought it was very cute. I really like it. And for $3.99, y'all, I could not get it. Because A, it's gnomes. Y'all know I like my gnomes. But for $3.99, come on. Because I think it was a regular, like, $8. So, but yeah, I mean, if you can see, the drill field looks really good. No problems at all with that. And there's going to be a lot of color blocking, and then a lot of confetti also. So yeah, this is a pretty good size canvas, 35 by 45 for $3.99. Y'all, can y'all hear Buster snoring? I got one in there, Booger's in there eating in the kitchen, and then Buster is under my desk just a snoring away. So, all right, y'all. But I wanted to get on here and show y'all this one. I will leave the link to him in my description box. Like I said, I don't know if the price is still $3.99 or not. But if it is, you better jump on it, because it's like one day they'll be $3.99, the next day they're $14. So whenever y'all find any canvases that are below $5, if you can, jump on it. So anyway, y'all let me know if anybody else has got this or what you think about it. And like I said, we'll leave the link in my description box. And also, if you've not signed up for my random act of kindness list, please do. I've already sent out the first box, the November box. But I'm just randomly picking people. Actually, what I'm doing is I'm going in order. And the first person that sent me a email is the first person that gets a box, and so on and so forth. And so the next box I'll be sending out will be in December. So y'all, please, you've got time, please sign up, because I really enjoy, giving back. So yeah. Plus, go check out my Etsy shop, Just Mind Your Business. And yeah, so, all right, y'all. Anyway, I'm rambling. So, link will be in my description box. And until my next video, I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.